When you search for rear-view mirror dashcams, everything looks the exact same. Same big screens, same 4K claims, same night vision promises. But to understand which one actually delivers when you need it most, you have to look past the flashy specs and see what real drivers care about: clarity, reliability, and peace of mind.
Product number 1, Wolfbox G840S. The Wolfbox G840S caught my eye with its massive 12-inch display and 4K front recording, all for just over $110. If you want a wide, crystal-clear view that replaces your entire mirror while capturing every detail on the road, this is worth a serious look. The 170-degree front and 140-degree rear lenses give you nearly blind spot-free coverage, and the split-screen mode lets you monitor both cameras at once. The included GPS antenna logs your route and speed directly onto footage, which can be crucial evidence later. Plus, the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connects quickly to the app for live viewing and fast video downloads. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky if your car's mirror mount isn't standard. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it feels solid and the curved screen blends right into most dashboards. This is perfect for you if you drive a truck or SUV and want maximum visibility without blind spots. Skip this one if you have a compact car with a small original mirror. This thing is big. For the price and included 32GB card, it's a strong value.
Product number 2, the Wolfbox G930. If the G840S's size felt overwhelming, the Wbox G930 offers similar tech in a more compact 10-inch design, but at a higher $130 price. It still shoots 4K up front and 1080p out back, and includes a generous 64GB card right in the box. The touchscreen lets you swipe between views easily, and the upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes app connections smoother than older models. WDR tech balances bright headlights and dark shadows so license plates stay readable even at night. Some users mentioned the rear camera cable could be longer for larger vehicles. Here's the thing though, the 21.3-foot cable actually covers most sedans and midsize SUVs just fine, and you can always buy an extension if needed. This is perfect for you if you want premium features without the bulk of a 12-inch screen. Skip this one if you frequently tow trailers or need extreme blind spot coverage. Considering the full 1-year guarantee and responsive support, it's a smart mid-range pick.
Product number 3, Wolfbox G850 Pro. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety-conscious drivers, the Wolfbox G850 Pro. At $170, it's the most advanced here, packing ADAS alerts like forward collision and lane departure warnings, plus blind spot detection that actually monitors side traffic. The 12-inch screen shows it all clearly, and voice control lets you lock videos or take photos without taking your hands off the wheel. It records 4K front and 1080p rear with excellent WDR, and the 64GB card gives you plenty of storage. A few buyers noted the voice commands can be finicky in noisy environments. Here's the thing though, you can always use the touchscreen instead, and the core safety features work independently. This is perfect for you if you commute in heavy traffic or drive long distances and want extra layers of protection. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. There are cheaper options that still record well, but for tech-forward drivers, this is top tier.
Product number 4, JanSight 10-inch mirror cam. If the Wolfbox models feel too pricey, the JanSight 10-inch mirror cam delivers solid performance for under $60. Don't let the low price fool you. It records 1080p front and rear, has a responsive touchscreen, and includes night vision that actually works in dim conditions. The 33-foot rear cable is a lifesaver for larger vehicles, and the parking monitor kicks in when motion is detected, with a hardwire kit. Some users reported the screen doesn't act as a mirror when off, due to anti-glare coating. Here's the thing though, that's actually a safety feature, reducing nighttime glare from headlights behind you. This is perfect for you if you want basic dual recording without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need 4K resolution or GPS tracking. It locks both. But for city drivers or older cars, it's a reliable, no-frills choice. Product number 5, Pelsi P12 Pro. The Pelsi P12 Pro punches above its $100 price with 4K recording, ADAS alerts, and color night vision, something most cams don't offer. The 12-inch touchscreen is sharp, and the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi transfers videos at up to 20 megabytes per second, so sharing evidence is fast. Voice control works well for basic commands, and GPS tagging adds context to every clip. A few reviews mentioned the included 32GB card fills up quickly in 4K mode. Here's the thing though, you can swap in a 128GB card easily, and loop recording auto-manages space. This is perfect for you if you want high-end features near the $100 mark. Skip this one if you rarely use parking mode. It requires a separate hardware kit. For the tech and clarity, it's one of the best values here.
So which one's right for you? The Wolfbox G840S gives you the biggest screen and great value. The G930 adds more storage and cleaner Wi-Fi. The G850 Pro is for tech lovers who want ADAS and voice control. The JanSight is the budget hero, simple but effective. And the Pelsi P12 Pro? It's the sleeper hit with color night vision and strong performance under $100. Whichever you pick, you're getting way more than just a camera. You're getting confidence on the road.